Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, and good morning. Today is Monday and the first day of school after the weekends. Today, first of all, in the morning, my Ammu is getting my tiffin and also my breakfast ready for today. Today, I am going to get some poha for my tiffin, and for that, she started prepping it from the beginning. She had already washed the poha, and now she's just getting ready the other things to fry it. My mom usually makes it like she fries the onion and chilies together, then she gave her egg, then all the masalas and everything that is needed, like the salt, red chili powder, turmeric, and everything. After that, it's pretty simple. After that, give it a stir and then add our poha in there. That's all. It's a very easy recipe, and it's very convenient for her to make it in the morning for us, because if she's giving us something like I don't know, aloo paratha or something, fresh aloo paratha, then it's really difficult for her because she has to wake up extra early to make the aloo paratha and then the everything else. So I'm okay with whatever is there, and she's kind of sick, so it's fine. Then she's making us a paratha roll for our breakfast. For that, she's putting some sausages on top of her egg, and then she's putting one kubus because we were out of roti, so, and also paratha, but it's fine. I just like to eat it the way it is. And then she's going to flip it over, and the other side, when it's well cooked, she's putting some sauce in there and just roll it, and that's all. Then she's going to half it from the center to give it to me and my bunu. Then we'll have it. She also packed her lunch. First she put poha in the boxes, some chocolates, dates biscuit, and some dates. This one's for my bunu, and I have another one. These are my dates and some chocolates and date biscuits. And here is mine. She gave it all. And we also took our breakfast in the morning after getting ready. She packed our lunch. We got ready fast. We took a bath and everything. And then we had our breakfast. And I was doing a little bit hurry because I was getting late for my school bus, because my bus will come and go. No idea when it comes and no idea when it goes. Before that, I was just checking outside if my bus has a ride or not, but it hasn't. So still my bunu came, and then she also took the breakfast. We take breakfast, then go to school, then we have our lunch packed. Here she was also eating. After, we really had to leave because this time we will really miss our bus. I can't miss it. So we were just going outside after checking once. Before leaving, I always check once if I haven't missed anything, my glasses or my ID card. Then I go out and check again, if I have missed or haven't. Also, then we were waiting for the lift. Then we went to school, and that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Ma salama.